Okay, welcome along to another 20p arcade challenge. This week we are doing Burger Time, which is actually the name of a burger restaurant, but that came after this game. It's sometime in the 80s. I think this game came out in 1982. Was on most 8-bit systems. You can get it as part of a compilation on the PS2 for I can't remember the name of the company now. Data East, that's it, yeah. The ones who did Dragon Ninja and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, so you can get it on that, you can get it on the Switch. There's several sequels, Super Burger Time, Dr. Pepper's, that's the name of that guy, Dr. Pepper's Ice Cream Parlour, and a remake of this, I believe, on the Switch as well. You can also get the Arcade 1-Up arcade, which comes with other games on it, I think, as well. So anyway, I'm not very good at this. I've played it a lot, but yeah, it's a tricky game. It's very hard. I can never get off the second level, but we'll see. So 2 credits, 20p. I've done my practice, and let's see, highest score this week, non-continuous run. So let's get on it. Not very popular in the arcades. This actually is like 27th of the year when it came out, but it's got more of a cult following ever since. So that's good. Right, let's get on it. 2 credits and let's go. And there's no messing about with this game. You want to do, you want to trap them. Ice cream, I could pick that up and get an extra pepper, but I haven't. Got quite a few points there. Not worked out the patterns for this game. Surely is a pattern. All these early games have patterns. I've got all of them coming after me now. Ah, fuck. It's doing well. It's doing well. Oh well, on to the second level. Never know what to do on this level. Ah, trying to pepper him, moving in that direction, and it didn't work. Oh. Shite. I was doing so well. I was doing well. But not anymore. Anyway. Let's see if we can get a bit better this time. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Shit. Yes. Yeah, it freezes them that. Don't know if I mentioned it. Shit. There we go. Oh, that's the highest score I've got on that first level, I think. Oh, there we go. You've got a good one there. Oh crap. Oh, bugger. So far, so good. Shit. Just trying to get more points now. Crap. Ah, crap! I was going for the fucking cup. Well, I did get an extra life after 10,000. Just noticed.